host, Leafy!
No!
Let's not recover Leafy. I would rather literally anyone else host.
Anyone?
So who's hosting?
I guess everyone!
Still better than Leafy.
But let's do keep us safe! You guys are too loud!
One person at a time.
Me! If you're safe, you get a delicious recommended character.
Hey! What are you doing? Giving you a taste of your own medicine, bully. Listen to me! No! Might use your powers to pick on innocent kids. But I sure as sugar won't.
TB1 immunity, so he gets cake.
I can't wait to see which delicious character I get.
So the vote was between Book, Coiny, and Needle. Let's reveal the vote in alphabetical order.
I love going in alphabetical order.
Because you're a dictionary?
No, because it means I finally get to be first in something.
That's right. Let's reveal Book's votes.
Did I survive?
We'll have to see how the next two contestants stack up against you, which means Coiny is up next. I said Coiny is up next!
Ah! Oh yeah, I sure hope I'm not eliminated!
Book is in the clear. Here's your cake.